Demonstration, Remote Client Installation. 1. Use the USB boot disk to connect the client to the server. 2. Install the local boot manager and local cache area. 3. Copy the Vdisk file from the USB drive to the local cache. 4. Boot the secure system in the Vdisk on the local computer. Step 1. Use the USB boot disk to connect the client to the server. We are going to install Vdisk local boot manager on a blank notebook PC. Plug in the bootable USB drive with the EFI folder copied from the Vdisk UEFI package. Connect the Ethernet cable. Turn on the PC. Enter the pre-boot menu to select the USB boot option. Make sure the BIOS is set to UEFI mode, secure boot is disabled and the network stack protocol is on. Vdisk LBM installer will prompt you to select the language. On the network configuration, type in the Vdisk server public IP. Click F2 to connect to the server. Step 2, install the local boot manager and local cache area. Press F1 and input the credentials to access the LBM administration area. Click F12 Tools. Click F3 Vdisk. On this example, the disk is blank so the whole space will be formatted as local cache. Click F2 Save. Make sure to mark selections 4 and 5 to install local boot manager and save the new boot entry into the UEFI settings. Vdisk local boot manager is installed. Go back to the main menu. Step 3, copy the Vdisk file from the USB drive to the local cache. Plug in the USB drive containing the Vdisk file, .pym10, if you have saved it in a different drive. Press F3, load from USB. During the copy process, the client will be disconnected from the server, timed out status. Now the copy is complete, and the Vdisk content is stored in the PC's local cache. Step 4, boot the secure system in the Vdisk on the local computer. Let's restart the PC and demonstrate it can boot even if disconnected from the server. Now the PC is running a local Windows system that is exactly the same image loaded from the server's Vdisk repository. The whole installation process done for this client, from a blank notebook to a fully operational and secure Windows workstation, took less than 8 minutes. World's fastest managed client deployment.